Hi everyone, this is Joey with 22 Halo Media, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install VirtualBox. Now this is going to be part one of a VirtualBox series, so in today's video I am simply going to be showing you how to install VirtualBox and nothing more. And before I show you how to install VirtualBox, we're just going to talk about virtual machines really quick. I want to explain what type of software VirtualBox is and how it differs from other software that runs virtual machines. So there's two different types of software that you can run virtual machines in. And just know that every single software that runs virtual machines is known as a hypervisor. So let me just write that out real quick. And there are type 1 hypervisors and there's type 2 hypervisors. VirtualBox is a type 2 hypervisor. Now, what does that mean? That means that there is already an operating system, in my case, Windows 11. So there's an operating system that is installed onto my computer. So this is my laptop right here. I know, a great drawing. I'm such a great artist. So that's my laptop, and Windows is installed on bare metal on my laptop. And then inside of Windows, we have VirtualBox, which is installed as a hypervisor software. And inside of our VirtualBox, let me just write out VirtualBox real quick. And inside of VirtualBox, there's going to be more boxes or virtual machines, and each of these have their own operating system on them. So that is a type 2 hypervisor, meaning there is a piece of software that is installed in a pre-existing operating system. Now, what is a type 1 hypervisor? A type 1 hypervisor eliminates the already existing operating system and it's just installed right onto bare metal. So a common type 1 hypervisor for Windows is going to be Hyper-V. Now, a common hypervisor that's utilized in data centers and in enterprise is going to be called ESXi. So let me write out ESXi, and that's a product by VMware. Now, the difference here is we have full control over the bare metal hardware. So it eliminates this gray area right here, and you can run virtual machines right on top of the software. The software, ESXi, is installed right on the bare metal, and then you create virtual machines within it. So if you have Windows 10 Pro or Windows 11 Pro, you can go ahead and enable Hyper-V instead of VirtualBox, and then you'd have full control over the bare metal hardware. And ESXi is utilized in data centers. But just a little bit of theory out of the way. I just wanted to explain that real quick because I think it's important. I know the visual wasn't all that great, but it gets the point across. So now I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to virtualbox.org, and I'm going to be installing this on a Windows 11 machine, but just know that it's available for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Solaris hosts. And there's going to be a big button, download VirtualBox, and it'll be the latest version, and then it'll give you the different platform packages. You'll go ahead and click on the platform that you're using. For me, that's going to be Windows. And then right away, it'll go ahead and start installing VirtualBox. So we just have a few seconds left. I'll go ahead and launch my File Explorer, or here, we'll just double click it. And once I double click it, it's going to launch your UAC prompt, and you need to go ahead and click yes. And we'll run through the setup. So I'll click next. It's going to ask me, if there's any specific features that I want to turn, if I want to change the way they're installed, but I'm okay with the defaults. And I'm also okay with the location where it's being installed. So I'll click next. So the next thing it's going to say is that it's going to reset my network connection and temporarily disconnect us from the network. And this is to get the virtual network adapters working. So if you are doing anything that requires an internet connection, this is something you may want to consider. If it's important and you can't interrupt that connection, then you may want to wait before continuing. But I don't have anything important that I'm doing right now that requires an internet connection, so I'll go ahead and click yes. And then it's going to tell me I'm missing some dependencies. I need the Python, basically the Python core from the Windows 32 API. So I'll go ahead and install that, and we'll click install. And now we just have to wait for VirtualBox to finish installing. It should be pretty quick. Okay, so now the installation is complete, and we will go ahead and launch it, and I'll press finish. And what that's going to do is go ahead and launch VirtualBox. And if I click on it, you can see we have the VirtualBox Manager. And just looking around real quick, we see that there's different menus, file, machine, medium. There's a help section. And then there are quick tools to add, create, search, properties, refresh, as well as some tools that are only available when you have a virtual machine installed. So that's going to go ahead and conclude today's video. Stay tuned for the rest of the series. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a virtual machine. So thanks for watching. Bye.